Welcome everyone to Vested Interest. This is Shane. Today we are back for a stock pick of the day. We are going to be covering Realty Income, ticker O, the monthly dividend company. It is September 19th, beginning of another week. We are quickly rounding out another month and quickly rounding out 2022. Hopefully 2023 is less volatile than this year, but we will see what it brings. But for today, let's take a look at Realty Income. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I know there's some of you out there that watch the videos and haven't hit that subscribe button yet, so go ahead and join this journey. Help me out. It really does help out a small YouTube channel like myself grow and reach more people. So again, Realty Income, the monthly dividend company. Realty Income Monthly Dividend Company is an S&P 500 company focused on providing stockholders with dependable monthly income and favorable long-term risk-adjusted returns. We own over 11,400 properties across 72 separate industries, leased to over 1,100 clients through all 50 states, as well as Puerto Rico, the United Kingdom, and Spain. Cash flows generated from our highly diversified real estate portfolio support our increasing monthly dividends and strategic growth initiatives. Realty Income's business model is built on the following pillars: high quality real estate, conservative capital structure, prudent growth strategy, and corporate responsibility. And if you want to know more about Realty Income, go ahead and check them out at their homepage, www.realtyincome.com, where I pulled this information from. Now let's take a look at their chart. Realty Income, ticker O, is out of the REITs and real estate sector. And at the close of business, $359, they were at $63.97, down 0.53% on the day, 0.5% on the day. 52-week range as low as $62.29, as high as $75.40, definitely closer to their 52-week low at $62.29. Volume is about normal, average volume 3.5 million, today's volume 3.5 million. Market cap of $39.506 billion. They have a beta of 0.73, which is less volatile than the overall market, though it looks like it was pretty volatile throughout the day today. They have a PE ratio of 64.62, but with REITs, you want to look at their funds from operations, not necessarily their PE ratio. Earnings per share is 99 cents. Their next earning date will be between October 31st and November 4th. They have a forward dividend of $2.98 paid out annually, so divide by 12 because they are a monthly payer. That will give you your monthly payout, and they have a nice yield of 4.63%. Ex-dividend date coming up. Their next one is September 30th, 2022. So if you wanted to get their next dividend, you would need to buy Realty Income shares of Realty Income the day before September 30th. So on September 29th would be the last day you could buy them to get the next dividend. And according to Yahoo Finance, where I pulled this information, not affiliated, just where I like to pull some information, they have a one-year target estimate of $76.81 per share. Now let's jump over to stockanalysis.com, another site I like to pull information from, not affiliated. But according to the 26 stock analysts they have had take a look at this, they call it a consensus buy. They have a low target of $73.73. It currently sits below their low. So if it hit their low target of $73.73, that would be a 15.25% upside. They have an average target price of $78.35, which would be a 22.47% upside in price appreciation. And if it happened to hit their high of $88.20, their estimate here, that would be a 37.87% upside in stock price. All the while you would be collecting that 4+% dividend yield. 4.6 I think is what it was there on the previous slide. And again, this is all brought to you by stockanalysis.com. If you wanted to jump in here, check out their financials, check out their statistics, and more information on their dividends, this is one of the places I like to go. You could do the same thing in Yahoo Finance. Two sites that are very nice. There are other sites out there, Seeking Alpha, some people like. Lots of sites, so those are just two that I've chosen. No particular reason, just ones I like. And then we'll take a look at my position. Currently, I am long Realty Income. I have 59.634 shares. My overall position is $3,978.71. I am down 4.12%. So my current position is worth $3,815.38. I'm down $163.33. So not a huge deal. My cost basis is $66.72. So currently at $63.98, it is below my cost basis. So I will be looking to add to Realty Income to bring down my cost basis, increase my future yield and future potential returns. Coming up, we saw earlier their ex-dividend date is on the 30th of September. The payout date will be on the 14th of October, and the amount is 25 cents roughly. I think there's actually, probably a couple digits beyond this 25 with Realty Income. It does pay some funky fractions of a penny there, so you'd have to look more into their actual dividend page on Yahoo Finance, or stockanalysis.com will give you that actual, but 25 cents is good enough for to do the math on the shares of what I will get, or the shares you're thinking about buying and what it would be of the payout. These are quick hitters. That is Realty Income. It is in my portfolio. I do like the company. I do like the monthly dividends coming in. It is nice to see. If you are looking for a REIT, something in the real estate sector, maybe one to add to your watch list, or even jump right in. Like I said, I am looking to expand my position in that particular company. Currently, I may use some of the funds from Store Capital to roll into that one. It's another REIT that I own, and for those of you who own Store, they've been bought out. So we will be either waiting, and those shares will be sold at $32.25 is my understanding, but they will pay out one more dividend, so you may want to wait for that. I don't know that I'm going to. If it looks like it closed the day at over 32 cents, if it gets close to 32.25, I'm going to say 32.10, 32.15. I will probably just cash out and roll into some positions that are down right now, and not necessarily wait for that next dividend. But I will have a video on that probably either Friday or Saturday, what I'm going to do with Store, or what I've already done with Store if I decide to pull the trigger sometime this week. Well, that is it for this one. As always, appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit that thumbs up, ring the notification bell. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Join this journey to financial freedom with me. Hopefully you are on your own journey to financial freedom and you have your own stockbroker's account. If you don't, go ahead and check out my Webull link down below. You can open one up. If you use my link, you'll get some free stocks. I'll get some free stocks. Obviously, you don't have to use it, but it is a way you can help support the channel as well. But again, hitting that like button and subscribing does help also. Also, drop a comment. I do personally read and respond to the comments. I'm always interested to read your questions, your opinions, your suggestions for future topics, or constructive criticism. Let me know what you think of Realty Income. Is it in your portfolio? If you have other REITs you want to share, go ahead and share those as well. And this is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for stopping by. Hope your week is started out wonderful. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I'm only sharing my opinion. Investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. Handles money. Should never invest any amount in comfortable losing. Always doing your own best based on your situation, circumstances, and select right here or seek the advice counsel of a certified financial advisor.